begin with the approval of 9 major projects designed to facilitate and fast-track the needed infrastructure support of the economy. The President and the NEDA board gave the go signal to the projects worth over 62 billion pesos in a marathon meeting yesterday. Rocky Ignacio has the details.
President Aquino approved 9 major projects worth 62.3 billion pesos after a marathon meeting with the NEDA board in Malacanang. The President approved significant projects in infrastructure, transportation, water supply, and healthcare and will be implemented under the General Appropriations Act, Public-Private Partnership or PPP, and loans from the Asian Development Bank. The project aims to improve the economy and government services. 2 of these approved projects were the 18.7 peso Kaliwa Dam and the 5.8 billion peso Angat Transmission Project that will address the long-term water supply requirements of Metro Manila and nearby regions. The President also approved the 653 million peso Malinaw Dam improvement for Bohol Province recently devastated by an earthquake.
Proposed by the Metropolitan Waterworks and Sewerage System or MWSS, the Kaliwa Dam project involves the construction of a dam that will produce 600 million liters per day of water supply and a water conveyance tunnel with a capacity of 2,400 million liters per day in anticipation of the future construction of the Laiban Dam. The project covers portions of the municipalities of Tanay, Antipolo, and Teresa in Rizal Province and the towns of General Nakar and Infanta in Quezon Province.
The government will also enhance infrastructure and mass transportation. The Cebu Bus Rapid Transit will be operational in 2016. The improvement of Busuanga Airport in Palawan and Lawag City Road Link will boost tourism growth. Also approved was the LRT2 operations and maintenance projects.
Also approved for implementation was the bidding out of the LRT2 operations and maintenance project estimated at 16.5 billion pesos in order to increase operating efficiency from the present level of 67% or 6 out of 18 train sets operational daily to 95% availability of the total LRT2 fleet.
Josefa Abella Memorial Hospital, the largest maternity and birthing facility, will be expanded. The project cost of 2 billion pesos will be sourced from the general appropriations.
This will buttress the Department of Health's efforts to meet the country's Millennium Development Goal or MDG of reducing the rate of infant and maternal mortality at childbirth. Project cost of 2 billion pesos will be borne by DOH from General Appropriations.
The Clark Green City Master Plan was also approved that will cover the municipalities of Capas and Bamban in Tarlac Province. Some of the approved projects will be completed beyond 2016, but Caloma assured that the Aquino administration is committed to hasten vital projects at the soonest time.
We are determined to speed up the implementation of these vital projects, given the fact that by the end of this month, this administration will have exactly only 2 years left of its term. So the determination is there, the desire to improve project implementation is there, and we are creating a lot of citizen awareness so that there will be monitoring of the progress of these projects and pressure to get these projects done at the soonest time in the right way.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.